When searching for the right professional plumber, keep these important things in mind. Whether you have a slow leak or a rushing flood, finding a good plumber fast can sometimes seem overwhelming. The right professional plumber will provide fast, quality work for your home or business while saving you time and money. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a plumber that is right for you. 1. Always make sure the plumbing contractor has the proper license and insurance in place before starting the work. 2. Ask the plumber about the quality of products they use and if they offer a written guarantee on their work. 3. Always ask if they have online reviews or any testimonials they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right professional plumber. The information we provide could save you time